بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Name. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense names, present participle naming, past tense, past participle named. When you name someone or something, you give them a name, usually at the beginning of their life. My father insisted on naming my son Rashid.
Nag. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense nags, present participle nagging, past tense, past participle nagged. If someone nags you, they keep asking you to do something you have not done yet or do not want to do. My friend nagged me to give him the key.
Nerve. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense, plural nerves, present participle nerving, past tense, past participle nerved. If you nerve yourself to do something difficult or frightening, you prepare yourself for it by trying to be brave. She nerved herself to take her driving test.
Nest. Word forms plural, third person singular present tense nests, present participle nesting, past tense, past participle nested. When a bird nests somewhere, it builds a nest and settles there to lay its eggs. The ducks are nestling by the river.
Nettle. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense nettles, present participle nettling, past tense, past participle nettled. If you are nettled by something, you are annoyed or offended by it. I was clearly nettled by his remarks.
Nod. Word forms plural, third person singular present tense nods, present participle nodding, past tense, past participle nodded. If you nod, you move your head downwards and upwards to show that you are answering yes to a question, or to show agreement, understanding, or approval. Are you okay? I asked. She nodded and smiled.
Nourish. Word forms plural, third person singular present tense nourishes, present participle nourishing, past tense, past participle nourished. To nourish something such as a feeling or belief means to allow or encourage it to grow. I have long nourished the hope of becoming a YouTuber.
Nudge. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense nudges, present participle nudging, past tense, past participle nudged. If you nudge someone, you push them gently, usually with your elbow, in order to draw their attention to something. "Stop it," he said, and nudged the boy lightly with his knee.
Nurture. Word forms, third person singular present tense nurtures, present participle nurturing, past tense, past participle nurtured. If you nurture something such as a young child or a young plant, you care for it while it is growing and developing. These houseplants have been carefully nurtured in our greenhouse.
Nozzle. Word forms: 3rd person singular present tense nuzzles, present participle nuzzling, past tense, past participle nuzzled. If you nuzzle someone or something, you gently rub your nose and mouth against them to show affection. My dog came and nuzzled my foot to try and cheer me up.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.